how to use Vaseline lotion. I have Vaseline lotion right here. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Hydra Healthy Hand Lotion. It says that it has hydrolyzed keratin in it, and it's supposed to be really good. It says non-greasy lotion, gives you 10 times stronger nails in 2 weeks. So I'm going to show you how to use this hand lotion. First of all, you want to make sure your hands are clean and have no cuts on them. And so like once you have your hands clean, dried, with no cuts on your hand, you're going to read the back and see if the ingredients right here are up to par for you, and make sure that you're not allergic to any of these or that they don't cause any sort of irritation to you. So it says right here, I'm just going to go over this right here. It says, skin health is essential for well-being. We're helping those underserved get better care for their skin. So that's what they're doing. They're helping people get better care for their skin. It says, treat your hands with Hydra Healthy Hand Lotion, which is a nourishing, fast-absorbing formula that leaves hands with silky, soft finish. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hands. All right, so this is the Vaseline lotion that I'm going to show you how I use it. And I'm just going to put some onto my hands, which I washed, cleaned, dried, make sure there's no cuts or bruises on them. And I'm just going to take some lotion and then put it in my hands and then rub them like this to get them spread out evenly on my hands. And then just go ahead and just go around my hands, making sure that I get every crack and every crevice covered with the lotion. All right, do you see this? And I'm just going to keep on going over certain areas more than once, making sure that I rub in all of the lotion, make sure that it gets all absorbed and is no longer slippery on my hands. And I'm doing some sort of motion like this where I'm going over the tops of my hands very smoothly, making sure that I rub in the lotion into the knuckles. And then you see right here, I'm going between my fingers, making sure that I'm rubbing between my fingers and the bottom sides. And don't forget the wrist. It's important that you get the lotion on the wrist. And after you finish rubbing the lotion in, your hands should look more moisturized. And in fact, they will be more moisturized. So that's how you use Vaseline lotion. I hope this was helpful. This is a great product. I like it. Vaseline Intensive Care Hydra Healthy Hand Lotion with hydrolyzed keratin. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.